Hi you guys, I know I look crazy with this lipstick on. It's been on for a few hours and it's starting to rub off, but I just want to come on real quick for a quick little update and a little quick hair tutorial. We are celebrating our 2-year wedding anniversary at the National Harbor this weekend, so I didn't have a chance to curl my hair before our little staycation because we from the DMV area, but I decided to do it tonight at the hotel. I'm so tired. What I'm using is this Design Essentials hairspray, or actually it's like a setting lotion, and then also I'm trying the Shine and Jam by Magic Fingers, the setting mousse. So normally when I do my curls, I just use water, like the moisture from after I wash and condition my hair and oil my scalp. Then I just begin to roll my hair on wet hair. However, we're at the hotel. I didn't get a chance to do all of that. So I'm just trying to improvise with what I have, and hopefully it turns out beautifully. I do not expect my curls to be super defined because I'm normally used to using perm rods. So this is my very first time using Flexi rods, and I'm just using 4 locks at a time, about 4 locks, and rolling them up, or spraying it, then rolling them up. And I just kind of bend it so that they're out of the way and they're not just sticking all over the place. So I'm going to take these down in the morning and show you the final results. All right, so stay tuned for that. Oh, you guys, I'm aware that this is a horrible angle, but I really want to show you how I'm gonna do this. So hold on one second. Ooh, okay, so these are my locks. For those who may ask, I am 7 years locked. Here are my locks. And this is the Flexi, sorry, my eye. This is the Flexi rod that I'm using, very small, tiny. Due to the length of my locks, I probably could go a little bigger, but that's what I had in the house. So that's what we're gonna use, okay? Ooh, child, it's late. I've been drinking, tired. So I know it's a messy job, but I just wanna make sure my locks are thoroughly saturated for when I apply these Flexi rods. So gonna rub it down. I'm gonna start at the end. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm just wrapping it around. I also brought my handheld dryer. So let me try that again. Have my locks, my 4 locks ready to go. Wrapping it around my Flexi rod. And then I'm gonna begin to roll, and I'm kind of going over the very tips of my locks so that those will stay in place. And I know this lock is a little wonky, but it's okay. I'm gonna just kind of, I like this little corkscrew technique that I do when I roll I use the same technique for when I use perm rod. So I'm just gonna bend that out the way and move on to the next one. So I'm gonna continue that. Let me grab one more roller so I can show you. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna use a little bit of mousse. Rub. Actually, let's not use that one. I have 4 locks here. My locks are not completely even because I do trim as I go, as I feel I need to. So I'm just start where the shortest lock ends and wrap that baby around, all the way around. Yep, that's kind of what it looks like when I wrap it. So I'm going to begin to go over that part See how I did that? And then I'm just gonna do my little corkscrew technique. I call it corkscrew. I don't know where I got that from, but I've been doing this for years. That's the way I curl my locks. And then I'm gonna just bend that up. So I'm gonna finish it and then I'm gonna show you once I'm all done. Okay, you guys, so I'm all done finally. It didn't really take me that long. It literally took me like 15 minutes. So I'm all done. I will be back with the final look tomorrow morning once it's all dry. All right, see you then. Hi you guys, so it's the next morning and I've let my hair dry for about like 8 hours now, but I also went over it with my hair dryer. So let's take this first one out and see what it do. I'm a little nervous because we're about to go to brunch, so hopefully it's curled or I'm gonna be so sad. You know what, I'm gonna just pull these out because I don't really want to unravel them and they're not curly like I want them to be. Let's see. Ooh, okay, we working with something. We are definitely working with something. I'm gonna take one more out and then I'm gonna just come back at the end. Let's see. And it's funny because I did this side first. Definitely curly. And I like how they're not super defined how they are with perm rods, because with perm rods I only use 2 locks per curl. For these I've used 4, and this might be my go-to. I was just telling my husband that this might be my go-to because it was so simple and easy. I was able to do it on unwashed hair, and to still obtain this curl is like amazing. So let me come back once it's all done. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. Of course, they're not perfect. It was a quick little 45-minute style with no dryer, you know, and my hair wasn't fully saturated, but the results came out pretty good. I'm loving it. Let me put it closer to me. I am loving it. So this will be the look for the weekend, I guess. I don't know. But thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be making some more tutorials in the near future. So yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye.